At D&D Technologies, we're obsessed with gate and fence hardware. The panic exit device is a world first as it utilises magnetic latching technology.
It's the world first magnetically activated panic bar for the outdoor use.
It's a world first because it's a panic device that's got no resistance to closure, where you've got a high use, high traffic area that you need a commercial solution.
We found that in the market currently there were products that weren't really designed for the environment.
And we saw that as a major concern and a risk.
So that's why we decided to bring our magnetic technology and design the panic bar.
In purely mechanical devices, springs can reduce their strength, other metal components can wear over time. We don't have any of those issues. And also, with D&D, we design our products to last a lifetime.
The panic bar has been designed to meet very tough conditions.
We're one of the only company in the world that actually tests all our gate and fence hardware outdoors.
It's going to update the environment. It's got to be 100% reliable. So our testing regime is to really hammer the products.
We also saw an opportunity to have the MagnaLatch panic bar being installed in public parks, sporting fields, and anywhere where gates need to work hard outdoors. We are known as the world's most trusted gate hardware technology.
We see the panic bar as just that next evolution to bring safety to the commercial space.
On behalf of everybody, I think the whole team is proud of this achievement.
Safety is what we get out of bed for. We're a safety company. So it's something in our heritage.
It's where we started, it's where we continued, and that'll never stop.